Well, it has begun. Tokyo Kawaii Club is back. For the time being, anyway.
For now.
We did start it up again just to kind of see how it is, and then we'll see what we can create and all that kind of stuff. So if you are new here, hello.
Hi and welcome to our YouTube room.
Yes. We haven't been in here since our cruise announcement.
That's right.
As a reminder, we are going on the Disney Wish in June, so we're really excited about that. But we are Echo Travel Ventures. We do travel channels. We're a travel channel. We do a lot of theme park stuff. We do a lot of travel stuff here in Florida. And because we are a Disney people, we had Tokyo Kawaii Club. So we are really excited to show you this. So we appreciate you stopping by, checking out what Michael has to offer.
Yep. If you can please subscribe, share with your family and friends. We're trying to get to at least 1,000 subscribers. That way we can go live when we're at the parks.
Yes.
So while Brian's working, I can go out and play and go live with you guys. I really want to get to know you guys so much better. I love seeing those comments. Brian loves seeing those comments. But just to be able to be chatting with you guys, I think it's gonna be so fun and so cool, and I'm super excited for that. So please help us out with that.
Yes. So if you are new to Tokyo Kawaii Club, Tokyo Kawaii Club is a subscription-based company that is located in Tokyo, Japan. His name is Michael. He's the guy that runs it. He actually goes to Disney Store, Tokyo Disney, Disney Sea, to get all the merchandise that you have. His website, you can, they call him the
FOMO?
Yeah.
The FOMO products?
Yes.
He has those as well, so like popcorn buckets, plushies, keychains, things like that. So if you don't want a surprise and you kind of want to try it out, this would probably be like a good birthday gift, anniversary gift, and just do it for a month and see how you like it. Michael will send in some information to your email, asking your favorite characters, what you don't like, things like that. So that's really cool. He's awesome at staying true to what it is, and he does it all by himself.
Yes, and everything is tailored towards you for this, so it's really cool.
So we pay about $60-ish a month because we get expedited shipping.
Yes. So, but I'm really excited, and this just came in, and it is Amber's turn.
I kind of started it but I didn't look. I just did this part because we don't have scissors up here. I'm gonna open it.
No pressure. Are you peeking?
No, I'm seeing if it's a bag of apple. So it is.
Amber just loves the bags.
I think it's so cute. Let's see. Dun, da, da, da.
Oh my god.
Guys.
Oh my god.
Look at it.
It's a pig Dale. A pig Dale.
I think it's a cow. Because a cow would have the butt.
Oh, okay. I don't know my farm animals. It is a cow. Well, because it has a snout that looks like a pig.
Look how cute.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, because look at.
Yeah.
Look at the tail.
All I saw was a snout when you took it out. This thing.
Ah, tail. We love these Tsum Tsums so much.
And I'll be honest, when they first came out with them, I hated them.
And we're like, why?
And now that we have...
Because those are dressed up. We usually just see the regular ones. We got a couple of these.
Well, and now we have like 20 of these, only from
I went
Tokyo.
from a couple and you went to 20.
I don't know, there's 4 over there, there's 4 right here.
And then a couple here.
Yeah, but anyway, so this is really cool. Oh my god, it has milk. Did you see this? It says milk. So it is a cow. Murr.
Murr.
Yeah. It's a country.
It's a country cow.
Yeehaw!
Right.
Next item.
Socks.
Oh, jeez.
Socks. I don't know why. I always find socks. But like, I don't wear these because it's hot in Florida, but I like socks.
These are really cool. So another YouTuber that lives in Japan, he said it was one of the first years that they actually did anything Pride over in Japan. So I'm not sure if these are for
Happy as a rainbow.
So it might be for Pride
That's
Month.
pretty cool. Okay, and then we get our note from Michael. I look forward to these because look it's Bambi. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Lunch.
Look how cute.
Thanks. What is this?
Thanks times 500, Michael.
Oh.
Thanks.
During the pandemic, he would send messages and it would say safe and awesome, Michael. And so it's cool.
We like getting those little ones.
Yeah.
Little things.
He also sends the business card for the Tokyo or Disney store. They do not ship to the United States, unfortunately.
They just ship within Japan.
Yeah. So, but regardless, it is kind of cool just to kind of take a gander at their
gander. Oh, I don't use sponges, but oh my gosh, guys, they're makeup sponges. I don't know what it says because it's all in Japanese, of course.
They're soft.
They're super soft. 12 pieces, and you can use them both sides. So there's Minnie and her bow, and then some pink.
It's cool.
It's cool?
It's cool.
Is your country coming out?
I guess. Holy crap. I'm not going to talk anymore in this video.
Oh! So,
okay, this ain't fair. She's like looking at it. She's not even showing me yet.
look!
I would love to look.
Now you know how it feels when you open it.
Oh, are they like for makeup or is it for like pills or what?
Either or.
That's cool.
Like lip gloss or something in there.
Yeah, these are really cool. So it's Ariel and Flounder. He did give us a pill case.
Yeah, we
so
still
these
have
might
it.
just be for makeup.
Oh my gosh!
Chapstick.
Stuff that I'm not saying I'm not going to use all this, but like so far I will use this. Look.
Oh, and it's Small World.
It shows in the front, but it's
UV protection, and it looks like it might plump your lips up.
Strawberry and honey, maybe.
Or maybe does it color it? I don't know.
Maybe it's the color.
Wait, hold on a second. I got Google Translate.
You can take a picture and it shows it. Because it does, like Brian said, it has Small World, and it has like the flavor up here.
It's strawberry.
Yeah.
And
honey.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Honey.
So that's changes it's a rose color for your lipstick. Not lipstick, but you know what I'm saying. I'm a guy.
Ooh, it has all of them. Oh. You open it up.
That's
and
really
it has all the flavors here. That's cool. So it has the different colors too then. So this is like the pinkish one, then there's like an orange rose tint, and then like a pale one.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Let me see. Ooh.
Oh, that smells good. It's like a Jolly Rancher. No, it doesn't do any color. Oh, it did a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
It smells good. Well,
Smells really good.
I'm gonna be using these for sure. I use this one, so I'll put it to the side.
Because the CarMax ones here in Florida will actually melt like really quick. The one that you normally use. That's really cool.
Okay.
Game, set, match. Holy cow.
Wow.
You gotta look at the back.
Look how cute. I love Chip and Dale. Of course you guys know that. Wow. It has little candies. There's a Mickey.
We have so much stationery that we don't even know what to do with it.
I know, I have so much.
Yeah, just a notebook.
Ah, but look at the bottom pages though.
I know.
Look at the bottom. That's every page. That's cute. Well, now we can write some notes in there, but they're so cute to use.
I know, when you look at your Scentsy stuff, you can actually start making notes. Oh wow, and the covers are really
thick.
Yeah.
One last thing. It's our last one. No, it's not. It's just a pig. Oh, that's cool. So this was in there. It's Black Widow. So last little thing. That's cool.
We haven't seen any of the movies either.
We don't know any of this. But that's so cool. It's in Japanese.
Yeah.
Like, look. I know Loki because I'm Captain America.
That's really cool.
That is cool. Wow, you guys, we got a lot.
So typically, with the package that we get, you get about 5 to 6 items. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So, it's during the pandemic. This really kind of got us through, and it was really nice. So,
like we said, if you just want to try it out 1 month, just do that. We kept it going, but we stopped it for a few reasons. We did one now, and then I think we're probably gonna wait a few more months and then maybe try it out again. $60 a month, especially with how things are starting to come back up. So hopefully that'll help us out.
Yeah, I really enjoy it. Honestly, it kind of just
brings joy.
Yeah, it really does. Cause like with Japan, I lived in Japan for 5 years, trying to get her to go with me and go back, but it's just they find the coolest ways to to package
the
stuff.
chapstick.
I mean, it's just. We were actually looking at planning a trip to Japan, and when I was looking at the budget, I was like, all right, well, how much do we need for spending? I'm like, oh, well, typically when we go to Disney World or whatever, when we live somewhere else, $2,000-3,000 is fine. No.
Not with everything we're seeing now. I think that's why we scaled back as well, to use that money towards purchasing over there. Even though we are getting the stuff from there, it'll be cool to pick it out. And
in Tokyo, Japan, okay, so when we were in Hawaii, they had these little turtles that are like this, okay? I don't even know, I think it's it goes along with Duffy.
Mm-hmm.
And when we were there at Alani, they just put out more, and within 10 minutes of them putting out these, they were already sold out. And I'm like, holy cow. And that's exactly how people say it is in Japan. If you see something, you buy it right away.
That's what we say at Disney World, because it's hard to find it again. Like, if you see it, just buy it. I know that may be crazy. You can always return it. I get that. But if it's something you really want and you've had your eye on, just get it.
Yeah.
You can return it.
Yeah, shirts go by quick.
Oh yeah, shirts go by really quick.
But guys, if you made it this far, we really hope that you try this out. Just try it out. If you love Disney, you love cute things,
or just want to get different things, or you can say you don't want everything, you can send them out as gifts as well.
Yeah.
It'll be a unique gift.
Yeah, definitely. So go down below. It's Tokyo Kawaii Club.com, I believe it is, but don't quote me. Everything will be down in the description below. Take a look at it. Let Michael know that we sent you. We get no kickbacks. We don't want any kickbacks. We just want him to get as much business and as much.
Yeah, you could say Brian and Amber sent you, and send them our YouTube, or say Echo Travel Adventures, Brian and Amber. that would be cool
Yeah.
because he knows how much we love what he's doing. And like Brian said, we don't get any kickbacks. We just want to support him.
Yeah, you know, in this time of age, we want to support all small businesses, and he's really great.
If you have a small business that you want us to check out, leave it down below in the comments.
But guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit that like button, comment down below what you like, or even if you're interested in trying this out in the future. But guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.